what brand do you believe is killing it with content creation other than Stoke?
I don't know about brands, but I love, I don't know about you, but I love spending a lot of time on Kickstarter.
Ooh.
And I love going on their account and on their website, and like I'm signed up to all their newsletters and things. And because I am very much into like tech and that kind of thing, I love seeing what's coming out and what's trending. And I love going on their account to see how new brands trying to get into the, get funded,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Tell their story about their brand and like showcase what they're about, and if it's convincing enough to like invest in. So I spend a lot of time on that, just soaking it all in, and I back a lot of projects. I love supporting these like small brands, and I buy a lot of these things, but it's all down to that video that they promote this product with. And I love seeing how all these new brands are trying to tell their stories, because it just gets better and better every product that comes through Kickstarter. The quality is unreal, so it's really cool.
Well, that's really interesting that you talk about storytelling, 'cause I think that's a really huge part of successful content creation. It's telling your story, not being afraid to share the journey, and being really real. Because I think social media has a reputation of being quite a highlights reel. So a lot of people are showing, yes, everything's amazing, I just won this deal, or I'm feeling great about this, and they don't feel comfortable sharing when things have gone wrong or when they've failed at something. And I think that whenever I've done that, and God, I could literally just do a whole channel just about my failures and mistakes, people really resonate with that. And that's probably some of my most engaged with content, because people, it almost humanizes people.
Yeah,
I think there's
100%.
a perception. I mean, you guys all know, because you work with me, like I'm a mess, like every day running around with my head. Absolute mess,
Yep.
like messy desk, I really don't know what's going on most of the time.
Were you late today as well?
Yeah, exactly. Got locked out of the house. Like that is just literally a mess. But I think, I've tried to really, show that on social a bit more, and try and talk about like the fact that I am an introvert and public speaking does scare me, or going into a whole room of people scares me. So I think it's important to just not feel like you have to be perfect all the time when you're sharing content on social.
Yeah, well,